Right, so take a few seconds, look at this. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Take about 5 to 10 seconds. Think about that, and then we can answer. What do we notice? There is an outlier where? Okay. Anyone else also notice that outlier? Okay. So, were you wanting to say something? Okay. Anyone else notice something different? Wonder about something, Brennan?
Linear line.
Okay. What about it? What did you just saw it? Okay. This correlation, this relationship is kind of weak. They're not really close to the line. Yes, there's a lot of them, but it's not really close enough to make a linear line, even though the line is there. Okay. Go ahead, Eric. Will you be back in like the next 5 minutes? Yeah. Okay. Anyone else notice anything? It's a negative linear. Okay, so bringing back all the words that we were talking about. It's weak. It's a linear. It's negative. Why? Okay. And if we were to put into context what's on the x-axis, what's on the y-axis, how could we word that into a sentence which is why it's linear?
One increases, the other decreases.
Or
as weight increases, kilometer per run verb. As weights decrease, kilometers increase.
in that order.
Yes.
Okay.
As kilometers ran per week increases, weight increases.
Yeah. So because this is really depending on this, as this increases, this decreases. So we gotta word it in a specific way. Otherwise, the weight can change on its own, and it has to depend on the other one. All right. So I'm gonna explain what we're going to. I can't touch this right now because I gotta fix the thing. Oh, this one. So I need to count how many people are here, but then we're gonna split up into groups. And there are 3 stations in here. 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 in the hallway. So we can't. We might be able to start this before the walk-on drove, but then we'll all have to come back in here. Where your group is going to plot all of the data. There's a lot. So not one person should be plotting all the data. Split it however you guys choose. And then after you have plotted all the data, you guys are going to analyze it, and then we're going to come back together, and then everyone's going to get a chance to look at everyone's, and I'm going to try to do one last thing, scatter plot, analyzing all those things twice. Let me figure out how many of us are here today. 24. And 6. Okay, so that works. So we're going to get into groups of 4. Do you want me to make your groups, or do you want to make your own groups? Make our own groups. I think that was majority. So you guys can make your own groups. I'll let you do that, and then whenever we hear Dr. Gibbs, we'll just stop. So make your groups, and then anyone left out, I'm going to put you in a group. So go ahead and make your group. Yeah, outside. So when you get in your group, get away from other people so I can see that this is your group.
Do you mind if we join you then?
Yes. Alright, so group of 4 right here, come up here. Group of 4 right here, okay?
What are your guys' names? What?
Korean. 4 right here.
Nice to meet you guys.
And then I have 3. So I need shoes are off. Okay. And then the other to that group. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right. Now I'm gonna put. Oh. I thought you were at that group already, so I couldn't. So you guys are a group. Okay. You're with the 5s and 4. Okay. So you guys are gonna be at that group. So kind of Grace, you're with the guys there. You guys can be right there at that group. You guys can be right there at that group. And then the other 3 groups need to come into the hallway. Come into the hallway really quickly. Really quickly, and then you'll come right back. Ladies. Okay, some of your groups are missing markers, which I have.
All the ones in when you so federal. No, all the stuff for now. I think I
Right, so figure out who's going to do what, and then here's.
Oh yeah, because I got the possession. That's why easy.